Welcome. In this video, we will move to a new section of our course where we're going to talk about operators in details and Python. Let's start. In Python, there is many types of operators. In this course, we will see three types of operators: arithmetic operators, comparison operators, assignment operators. Let's talk about arithmetic operators in details. Let's see this example. Here, let's see the operators of arithmetic operators. First, the addition. This will add a value to another value, like if A holds 10 and B holds 20. If we add A to B, this will give us a subtraction. This will subtract the right hand operators from the left hand operators. The multiplication, this will multiply the values of the two sides, like A multiple B. The division, this will divide left hand operand by the right hand operand, like this B division A. Okay, this will give us 2. And this is module. This will divide left hand operand by right hand operand and return remainder. This will give us the remainder of the operation B module A. Exponent. This performs exponential or power calculations on operators like A power LB. Floor division. This division of operators of operands where the result is quotient in which the digits after the decimal point are removed. This will remove the digits after the decimal point, like this. This equal. This is equal to 4, but this is equal to 4.0. This is an integer and this is an float. Let's try this in our Python shell. We set here A equal to 10, B equal to 20. If I set A plus B, this will give us 30. I see B minus A, this will give us 10. I set A multiple B, this will give us 200. I set B division A, this will give us 2.0. Okay. And here, if I set B module A, this will give us 0 because B. If I set here X, let's try another example of module. X equal to 9. And Y equal to 4. If I set X module Y, this will give us 1 because X, this 9, contains 2 4s and the remainder is 1. This is what we mean by module, the remainder. Okay, the exponent, if I set here A exponent B, we do not have to keep a space here. A exponent B will give us this number. Okay, and the floor division, if I set B divide A, this will give us 2.0. If I set B to module to division A, this will give us 2. This is 2.0. This will give us the float number. Like if I set the X, the value of the X was 9 and the value of Y is 4. If I set here X division Y, this will give us 2.25. Okay, and if I set here X floor division Y, this will give us only 2. And division the decimal numbers, the decimal digits after point will be appear, and floor division, the decimal point after the decimal digits after this point will not be appear like this. Okay. In the next video, we will talk about comparison operators and details. Hope you like this video and see you next one.